Hello, my dear students. I hope all of you are fit and fine. This is your maths class, and today I am starting a new topic, division. So, my dear students, open page number 88. This is page number 88, and here topic name is division. Divide by repeated subtraction. Here we will divide by repeated subtraction. हम बार बार subtraction करके divide करेंगे. Okay? So first question has been done for you. I am explaining 20 divide by 5. This is the sign of divide. Okay? So 20 divide by 5. हमें repeated subtraction से solve करना है इसे. So first हम क्या करेंगे 20 minus 5. 20 में से 5 सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे 20 minus 5 equal to what will answer 15. Okay, now 15 minus 5 again हम 15 में से 5 सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे 15 minus 5 equal to 10. 10 minus 5 equal to 5. 5 minus 5 equal to 0. So this procedure completes in 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 steps में 0 आता है. So 4 steps में complete होता है ये procedure. So 4 will be the answer. 20 divided by 5 equal to 4. Okay. Now question number 2. 4 divided by 2. So first 4 minus 2 equal to 2. Then again 2 minus 2 equal to 0. Here only 2 steps. So answer will be 2. 4 divided by 2 equal to 2. Now question number 3. 6 divided by 3. First 6 minus 3 equal to 3. Then again 3 minus 3 equal to 0. So 2 steps. So 6 divided by 3 equal to 2. Now question number 4. 6 divided by 2. First 6 minus 2 equal to 4. Then 4 minus 2 equal to 2. Then 2 minus 2 equal to 0. So 3 steps में. So 6 divided by 2 equal to 3. Okay. Now question number 5. 10 divided by 5. So first 10 minus 5 जिससे में डिवाइड करना होता है उसी को सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं बार बार. 10 minus 5 equal to 5. Then 5 minus 5 equal to 0. So it completes in 2 steps. So 10 divided by 5 equal to 2. Now question number 6. 12 divided by 3. First 12 minus 3 9. 9 minus 3 6. 6 minus 3 3. And 3 minus 3 0. जब तक 0 नहीं आता हम करते जाते हैं. So this procedure complete in 4 steps. So 12 divided by 3 equal to 4. Now question number 7. 12 divided by 6. First 12 minus 6 6. Then 6 minus 6 equal to 0. So 2 steps. So 12 divided by 6 equal to 2. Now question number 8. 16 divided by 4. First 16 minus 4 12. 12 minus 4 8. 8 minus 4 4. And 4 minus 4 equal to 0. So in 4 steps. So 16 divided by 4 equal to 4. Now question number 9. 15 divided by 5. So first 15 minus 5 equal to 10. Then 10 minus 5 equal to 5. 5 minus 5 equal to 0. So 3 steps में. So 15 divided by 3. 15 divided by 5 equal to 3. Okay. So like this you have to do. Question number 10, 11 and 12. Do it yourself. Or you can take help from here. Okay. Now next page. Page number 89. This is page number 89. Divide into equal groups by drawing dots. Draw dots by turn in each box. Okay. First question has been done for you. 6 divided by 2. 6 dots we have to divide in 2 boxes. So first read the table of 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6. So 3 ja. So 3 ja is the answer. So 3. So we have to draw in each box 3 dots. Okay. So like this you have to draw. Now question number 2. 6 divided by 3. 6 dots in 3 boxes. So read the table of 3. 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6. So 2 is the answer because 3 2 ja 6 hai. So 2 is the answer and draw 2 dots in each box. Okay. Now question number 3. 8 divided by 2. 8 dots 2 boxes में. So read the table of 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, 2 4 ja 8. So 2 4 ja 8 means 4 is the answer. Draw 4 dots in each box. Now question number 4. 8 divided by 4 means 8 dots 4 boxes में. So read the table of 4. 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. So 2 is the answer. So that means we have to draw 2 dots in each box. Okay. Now question number 5. 10 divided by 5. Here 10 dots we have to divide in 5 boxes. So read the table of 5. 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10. So 2 is the answer. So that means we have to draw 2 dots in each box. Now 10 divided by 2 means 10 dots in 2 box. So read the table of 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, 2 4 ja 8, 2 5 ja 10. 10 means 2 5 ja 10. So 5 is the answer. That means we have to draw 5 dots in each box. Okay. So like this you have to do. I have done for you, so you can take help from here. Try to do it yourself. Okay. Like this you have to draw. Now next page. This is page number 91. Fill in 12 divided by 4. Okay. So think 4 multiply by what number? The answer will come 12. 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 4 3 ja 12. So 3 ja. So here we have to multiply by 3. So here 3 is the answer. Okay. 12 divided by 4 equal to 3. We have to read the table of 4. जिससे हम डिवाइड करते हैं उसकी टेबल को हमें रीड करना होता है. ओके. नाउ क्वेश्चंस फिल इन. फर्स्ट ए पार्ट 4 divided by 2. So read the table of 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. So 2 2 ja. So write the answer 2. Number B 6 divided by 2. So read the table of 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6. So 3 ja 6 है. So 3 is the answer. Now C part 3 divided by 3. So read the table of 3. 3 1 ja 3. So answer will be 1. 3 1 ja 3. So answer 1. Now D part 8 divided by 2. So here read the table of 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, 2 4 ja 8. So 4 is the answer. Now E part 6 divided by 3. So read the table of 3. 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6. So 2 is the answer. Now F part 9 divided by 3. So read the table of 3. 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9. So 3 ja 9 है. So 3 is the answer. Now G part 12 divided by 3. So read the table of 3. 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9, 3 4 ja 12. So 4 is the answer. Now H part 21 divided by 3. So read the table of 3. So 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, 3 3 जा 9, 3 4 जा 12, 3 5 जा 10, 15, 3 6 जा 18, 3 7 जा 21. So here 7 is the answer. Now I part 4 divided by 4. So read the table of 4. 4 1 ja 4. So 1 is the answer. Now 16 divided by 4. So read the table of 4. 4 4 ja 16. So 4 is the answer. Now 20 divided by 4. So here read the table of 4. 4 5 ja 20. So 5 is the answer. Now L part 28 divided by 4. So read the table of 4. 4 7 ja 28. So 7 is the answer. So like this you have to do. Now question number 2. 10 divided by 2. So read the table of 2. 2 5 ja 10. So 5 is the answer. Now B part 20 divided by 2. So read the table of 2. 2 10 ja 20. So 10 is the answer. C part 18 divided by 2. So read the table of 2. So 2 9 ja 18. So 9 is the answer. D part 18 divided by 3. So read the table of 3. 3 6 ja 18. So 6 is the answer. Now E part 15 divided by 3. So read the table of 3. 3 5 ja 15. So 5 is the answer. F part 27 divided by 3. So read the table of 3. 3 9 ja 27. So 9 is the answer. Here 8 divided by 4. So read the table of 4. 4 2 ja 8. So 2 is the answer. Now for 24 divided by 4. So 4 6 ja 24. So 6 is the answer. Now I part 32 divided by 4. So read the table of 4. 4 8 ja 32. So 8 is the answer. Now J part 10 divided by 5. So read the table of 5. 5 2 ja 10. So 2 is the answer. Now K part 20 divided by 5. So read the table of 5. 5 4 ja 20. So 4 is the answer. Now L part 25 divided by 5. So read the table of 5. 5 5 ja 25. So 5 is the answer. Okay. Now question number 3 and 4. You have to do yourself. I have done for you. You can take help from here. Okay. So like this you have to do. Read the table and write the answers. Okay. Now next page. This is page number 92. Same questions are here. Question number 1. Fill in first A part 14 divided by 2. See, read the table of 2. 2 7 ja 14. So 7 is the answer. B part 16 divided by 2. So read the table of 2. 2 8 ja 16. So 8 is the answer. C part 30 divided by 3. So read the table of 3. 3 10 ja 30. So write the answer 10. D part 8 divided by 4. So read the table of 4. 4 2 ja 8. So 2 is the answer. Now E part 32 divided by 4. So 4 8 ja 32. So write 8 answer. Now F part 36 divided by 4. So read the table of 4. 4 9 ja 36. Now G part 40 divided by 4. So read the table of 4. 4 10 ja 40. So 10 is the answer. Now H part 40 divided by 5. So read the table of 5. 5 8 ja 40. So write 8 answer. Now I part 45 divided by 5. So read the table of 5. 5 9 ja 45. Now J part 42 divided by 6. So read the table of 6. 6 7 ja 42. So 7 is the answer. Now K part 48 divided by 6. So read the table of 6. 6 8 ja 48. Now L part 54 divided by 6. So read the table of 6. 6 9 ja 54. So 9 is the answer. Okay, so like this you have to do. Okay. Now some division facts. Okay. More on division and multiplication facts. 3 multiply 5 equal to 15. 15 divided by 3. 5 and 15 divided by 5 equal to 3. So this is the division fact. हम 2 नंबर्स को मल्टीप्लाई करके जो आंसर आएगा उससे अगर हम 1 नंबर से इसे डिवाइड करेंगे तो हमारा सेकंड नंबर हमें आंसर में मिलेगा। ओके, सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, राइट डिवीजन फैक्ट्स। ए पार्ट 7 मल्टीप्लाई 5 इक्वल टू 35। सो हेयर आंसर क्या है 35। सो 35 डिवाइड बाई 7 इक्वल टू 5 and 35 divided by 5 equal to 7. Okay, now B part 3 multiply 4 equal to 12. 3 multiply 4 equal to 12. अब हम 12 को अगर 3 से डिवाइड करेंगे सो 3 बन जाती है, 3 2 जा 6, 3 3 जा 9, 3 4 जा 12, सो 4 आंसर आ जाएगा हमारा, जो 4 यहाँ पर था। ओके, अगर 12 डिवाइड बाई 4 करेंगे तो 4 3 जा 12, यानी जो दूसरा हमारा नंबर था वो आंसर आ जाएगा। ओके, सो लाइक दिस यू हैव टू डू। क्वेश्चन नंबर सी, 4 मल्टीप्लाई 7 इक्वल टू 28। सो 28 डिवाइड बाई 4 7 एंड 28 डिवाइड बाई 7 इक्वल टू 4. Now D part 5 multiply 6 equal to 30. So 30 divide by 5 equal to 6 and 30 divide by 6 equal to 5. Okay, so like this you have to do. Okay, so this is the division facts. Now next page. This is page number 93 and now long division form. Division can be shown in 2 ways. डिवीजन को हम 2 तरीके से शो कर सकते हैं। फर्स्ट 12 डिवाइड का साइन डिवाइड बाई 3 इक्वल टू 4, दिस इज द डिवाइडेंड, दिस इज द डिवाइजर और दिस इज जो आंसर आता है उसे कॉसेंट। ओके, एंड दिस इज द लॉन्ग डिवीजन फॉर्म। एक तरीका ये भी है, हम इस तरह से लिखते हैं, जिससे डिवाइड करना होता है वो यहाँ पर, जो जिसको डिवाइड करते हैं वो यहाँ पर, जो आंसर आता है वो यहाँ पर। दिस इज कॉल्ड डिवाइजर, दिस इज डिवाइडेंड एंड दिस इज कॉसेंट। ओके, सो दिस इज द आल्सो ए वे ऑफ डिवीजन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, फिल इन। फर्स्ट पार्ट हैज बीन डन फॉर यू। 15 डिवाइड बाई 3, सो रीड द टेबल ऑफ 3, 3 5 जा 15, so 5 is the answer. Now question number 2, 10 divided by 2, so read the table of 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, 2 4 ja 8, 2 5 ja 10, so 5 is the answer, so write here 5. Okay, now question number 3, 15 divided by 5, so read the table of 5. 5 3 ja 15, so write 3 here. Now question number 4, 21 divided by 7, so read the table of 7. 7 1 ja 7, 7 2 ja 14, 7 3 ja 21, so 3 ja, so 3 is the answer. Now question number 5, 20 divided by 4, so read the table of 4. 4 5 ja 20. Now question number 6, 12 divided by 6, so read the table of 6. 6 1 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12, so 2 is the answer. Now 7, 18 divided by 6, so read the table of 6. 6 3 ja 18, so 3 is the answer. Now question number 8, 32 divided by 8, so read the table of 8. 8 4 ja 32, so 4 is the answer. Now question number 9, 27 divided by 9, so read the table of 9. 9 1 ja 9, 9 2 ja 18, 9 3 ja 27, so 3 ja 27, so 3 is the answer. Now 10 part, 40 divided by 8, so write the table of 8. 8 1 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 8 3 ja 24, 8 4 ja 32, 8 5 ja 40, so 5 is the answer. Now 11, 24 divided by 3, so read the table of 3. 3 8 ja 24 and 12. Question 45 divided by 5, so read the table of 5. 5 9 ja 45, so 9 is the answer. So like this you have to do. ओके, ये क्वेश्चन आप अपने आप करने की कोशिश करेंगे। ओके, अगर नहीं आते तो यू कैन टेक हेल्प फ्रॉम हेयर. नाउ नेक्स्ट पेज. दिस इज पेज नंबर 94 and here story sums on division. Question number 1 has been done for you. I am explaining. 42 flowers are divided equally among 4 vases. How many flowers does each vase get? 42 flowers हैं, इन्हें 6 vases में हमें डिवाइड करना है. So 42 divided by 6. So read the table of 6. 6 7 is 42. So 7 is the answer. Means in each vase we have to put 7 flowers. Okay. Question number 2. 3 children share 12 toffees equally. How many toffees does each child get? टॉफ़ीज 12 हैं और 3 चिल्ड्रन में हमें इक्वली डिवाइड करनी है, तो हर चाइल्ड को कितनी टॉफ़ियाँ मिलेंगी? सो 12 डिवाइड बाई 3. 12 टॉफ़ीज 3 चिल्ड्रन में डिवाइड करनी है. सो 12 डिवाइड बाई 3. रीड द टेबल ऑफ 3. 3 1 जा 3, 3 2 जा 6, 3 3 जा 9 एंड 3 4 जा 12. So 4 is the answer. So 4 toffees means each child get 4 toffees. Now number 3. 40 laddus are packed equally in 4 boxes. 40 लड्डूज हैं और उन्हें 4 boxes में हमें equally पैक करना है. How many laddus are there in each box? So 40 laddu, 4 box. So 40 divided by 4. Read the table of 4. 4 10 ja 40. So 10 laddus. So each box have 10 laddus. Now question number 4. There are 36 children in class. They are divided into 4 houses equally. How many children are there in each house? 36 children हैं क्लास में और उन्हें 4 हाउस में इक्वली डिवाइड करना है. So for 36 divide by 4. Read the table of 4. 4 9 the 36. So 9 children means in each house 9 children are there. Now question number 5. A box hold 40 bottles of soft drink. The bottles are kept in 5 equal rows. How many bottles are kept in each row? 40 बॉटल्स को हमें कोल्ड ड्रिंक की हैं, उन्हें बॉक्स में रखना है और 5 इक्वल रोज में रखना है, 5 रोज में रखना है. सो 40 डिवाइड बाई 5. सो रीड द टेबल ऑफ 5. 5 8 जा 40 मीन्स 8 बॉटल्स इन ईच रो. नंबर 6. सोनाली इज मेकिंग फ्रेंडशिप बैंड्स. ईच बैंड विल हैव 8 बीट्स. How many bands can she make with 56 beats? सोनाली को फ्रेंडशिप बैंड बनाना है. एक बैंड बनाने के लिए उसको 8 बीट्स की ज़रूरत है. 56 बीट्स है उसके पास, तो कितने बैंड बनेंगे? 56 डिवाइड बाई 8. रीड द टेबल ऑफ 8. 8 7 जा 56. सो 7 बीट्स. 7 beats. So 7 friendship band she will make. Okay. Now I am going to stop this video. Do all the work properly. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.